How to reduce video quality in Amazon Prime Video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually fix or reduce the video quality on Amazon Prime. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you want to fix and then reduce the video quality on Amazon Prime just so you can have a smoother experience, in order to do that, just go ahead and then launch the Amazon Prime application. Once you launch the Prime Video application, you can see this is how it is going to look like. What you want to do is from the very top right hand corner of the screen, just tap on the profile icon to come to your profile page. As you tap on the profile icon, again just tap on the gear icon from the top right corner. Once you tap on the gear icon, go ahead and select the option that says stream and download. As you tap on the stream and download option, at the very top again you can find the option called streaming quality. So just go ahead and select streaming quality. As you select streaming quality over here, you can see best, better, good or data saver. So in order to reduce it, just select anywhere between data saver to better, because this could just give you some smoother experience. So you can see the amount of gigabytes it also takes depending upon the quality. The best takes up to 1.82 gigabytes, the beta takes 0.7 gigabytes per hour, good takes only 180 MB per hour, and data saver takes 112 MB per hour. So just go ahead and make sure of this, and you can also turn off use highest quality on Wi-Fi if you want. The thing over here is to just stream and then play with the quality, and you can also go to download quality and just check any of these options over here. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then actually fix and reduce the video quality on Amazon Prime Video. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.